In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save chats on Character.ai in 2 minutes. If you've ever had a great conversation with a character and worried about losing it, don't stress. Character.ai automatically saves your chats, and the quickest way to preserve a conversation is by starting a fresh one. That moves your current thread into history, where you can revisit it anytime. I'll walk you through it from the very beginning so you can follow along easily. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Character.ai and press Enter. Click the official Character.ai result to open the site. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your chats are tied to your account across devices. Once you're in, click on the character whose conversation you want to save. This opens the current chat thread. Now look to the upper right corner of the chat window for the three-dot menu. On some screens, it may appear as a small vertical menu icon. On mobile, it's often in the same corner. Click that menu. From the options, choose New Chat. If you see a confirmation like Start New Chat, click it to proceed. This begins a clean conversation with the same character. You'll notice the previous messages disappear from the main window. That's expected. You didn't lose anything. The entire prior thread was automatically saved to your history. To view it, open the same three-dot menu again in the upper right. Click History. This is where Character.ai stores your past conversations with that character. You should see your recently archived thread listed there, typically with a snippet or timestamp, so it's easy to recognize. Click it to open and read through your previous messages whenever you want. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the three-dot menu, try maximizing your browser window or rotating your phone to landscape. Sometimes menus collapse on smaller screens. Make sure you're in the character chat view, not just browsing the character's profile. If history doesn't load right away, refresh the page and check that you're signed in to the correct account, since history is account-specific. That's all there is to it. Open Character.ai, go to your character, use the three-dot menu to start a new chat, and then access your saved conversation from history. It's fast, reliable, and a great way to keep your favorite threads organized and safe. Thanks for watching. And now you know how to save chats on Character.ai in just a couple of minutes.